Hi guys, thank you for watching me and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl igboticnono. Ndebanyi queen, ndebanyi kwenu, ndebanyi kwezono. Okay guys, in today's lesson, we're going to be learning family members in Igbo language. Yes, your family members in Igbo language, your uncle, your brother, your sister, your cousin, your nephew, your niece. We're going to be learning it on this platform because I feel it's very important, so you actually know what to address them with or what they address you with. If you hear that, you will know the meaning. Don't forget to save this video on your watch letter and consistently play it like I always say, and on this channel you will do so well. Yes, so without further ado, let us dive in. So welcome back to my channel guys. Like I said, in today's lesson we're going to be learning family members in Igbo. So welcome to Nkuzi nke Isi. Yes, meaning welcome to the lesson 5 of today. Yes, as we know, family is everything. Ezinụlọ bụ ihe niile. Ezinụlọ bụ ihe niile. And we have to be identifying them as follows. And number 1 is mother. Mother potara nne. Mother is nne in Igbo. When you want to say my mother is nnem. Nnem means my mother. That M beside nne means mine. Nnem. Nnem means my mother. And you want to, when you say mother, it means only nne. Mother. Nne. My mother. Nnem. So the next one is father. Nna. These are just 3-letter words. So that's why I tell you Igbo is very simple. Father. Nna. Father. Nna. My father. Nnam. My father. Nnam. Nnam. My father. Nnam. This is my father. Onya bụ nnam. This is my father. Onya bụ nnam. This is my mother. Onya bụ nnem. Ọ bụ nnem, meaning is my mother. She is my mother. Ọ bụ nnem. And the next one is child. Nwa. A child is nwa. Children. Children. You know, children is many, while child is one, single, right? So that is why child is nwa and children is umu. Yes, children child nwa. Siblings umunnem, children of my mother. Siblings umunnem, umunnem. Siblings umunnem, children of my mother. Like your mother and your siblings are umunnem. You refer to your siblings as umunnem, children of my mother. Umunnem. Female nwanyi. Female nwanyi. Male nwoke. Male nwoke. Female nwanyi. Brother nwannem nwoke. Remember, male is nwoke, right? And brother is a male, right? So brother nwannem nwoke. My brother nwannem nwoke. Brother nwannem nwoke. Sister nwannem nwanyi. Sister is nwanyi, right? Sister nwannem nwanyi. Brother nwannem nwoke. Grandfather. Grandfather means there are 3 different terms you can use in grandfather. Some people say grandfather. Papa nnukwu. Papa nnukwu, as in, you know, grandfather. Papa nnukwu. Some people say nnam ukwu. Some people say nnam ukwu. Some people say papa nnukwu. Grandmother. Some people say mma nnukwu. Some people say nnem ukwu. Grandmother. Mama nnukwu. Nnem ukwu. Grandchild. Nwa nwa. Grandchild nwa nwa, as in my child, then my child's child. My child is nwa, right? My child is nwa, then child again, nwa again, like child nwa nwa. Wife muni. Wife muni. My wife muni. My wife, nwunye. You're personalizing it now, like your own. My wife, nwunye. That's, I told you that that is mine. My wife, nwunye. Husband, di. Just di. I told you it's very simple. Husband, di. My husband, dim. My husband, dim. My good husband, ezigbo dim. You can also say di Nkechi, Nkechi's husband. Di Sandra, Sandra's husband. So the next one is all my brothers going to marry Igbo people. All my brothers in the building going to marry Igbo people. This is your own. Listen very well. In-laws. Listen very well. This is where you address your in-laws. In-laws. Ndi ogo. In-laws. Ndi ogo. Ndi ogoge. Your in-laws. Ndi ogoge. In-laws. Ndi ogo. So, all my shorties marrying Igbo people, this is your time to learn what you address your in-laws. So, in-law is ndi ogo. In-law, ndi ogo. Ndi ogom. My ogo people. Ndi ogom. People that are coming to marry me. In-laws. Ndi ogo. Mother-in-law. Nnedim. Remember, di is husband, right? My mother-in-law is Nnedim. My father-in-law is Nnadim. Yes. My father is Nna. Mother is Nne. So my husband's mother is Nnedim. And my husband's father is Nnadim. Very simple. So my wife's mother is Nne Munyem. Munyem. Remember, wife is Munye. And my wife is Munyem. So now, my wife's mother is Nne and my wife's father is Nna. Nephews and nieces are Nwam. Do you understand? Nephews and nieces. Yes. Your uncles and aunties, that's the siblings of your parents, the siblings of your mother, or the siblings of your father. Your aunties and uncles. Your aunties are wanne nnem, and your uncles are wanne nnam. Remember, aunties and uncles are siblings of your mother and siblings of your father. Igbo is very, very simple, and it sounds so sweet coming out from the mouth. My son is nwam nwoke. Remember, son is nwoke, brother is nwoke, wine is sister is wine. Nwam nwoke, and your daughter is nwam wine. Your daughter is nwam wine, and your son and my son is nwam nwoke, and my daughter is nwam wine. Your daughter is nwagi wine, and your son is nwagi nwoke. Sorry guys, my son is making noise in the background, and the worst part is that he has a bass voice. As little as he's just 7 months, but if he echoes his bass voice, you just hide. So, and your relatives, you know your relatives now, the people surrounding your family, all of them, the relatives, people surrounding your family, all of them, is referred to Punibe or Omona. The relatives, people surrounding your family, is referred to Ipunibe or Omona. So your relatives, people living at the back of your house, all of them are referred to Ikuna Ibe or Omona. Omona or Ikuna Ibe. Omona or Ikuna Ibe. Yes. So guys, this brings me to the end of this video. Hope you learned one or two. I told you guys, Igbo is very sweet. Igbo amaka, Igbo amaka. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, guys, and give this video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying it. And if you're not, still subscribe, still like it. Your homegirl is giving it a trial. I'm bringing on the platform here so we can all know how to speak our language and understand one another. Don't forget to save this video on your watch letter and watch it, play it consistently, and you'll be surprised and amazed how good you're going to turn out to be. So thank you, and do have a wonderful day. Bye.